Hello everybody, and welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's of Jimmy and Jey Uso WWE Main Event Champions 3. I apologize if I haven't for not uploading for a while. I was out sick with the flu. I still feel like I should have uploaded or something, but yeah, I'm sorry for that, but I'm much better now. And yeah, here we go. Back with another unboxing. All right, we have the front of the packaging here. Of course, Jimmy Uso's likeness here, the front. Jey Uso's likeness over here, the front. All right, everybody, and here is the back of the packaging with Jimmy Uso's likeness on it. It just says here, Raw Tag Team Championship, which is the accessory he comes with. Signature move is a 1D with his brother. And of course, his fighting style is that of a high flyer. All right, everybody, and here is the back of the packaging with Jey Uso's likeness on it. Of course, it says pretty much the same thing. No, it says exactly the same thing. It's a Raw Tag Team Championship is the accessory that he comes with. Signature move is the 1D. And yes, fighting style is that of a high flyer. All right, everyone, here is Jimmy Uso out of the packaging. All right, everybody, here is Jey Uso out of the packaging. Of course, both Jimmy and Jey Uso come with the Raw Tag Team Championship. I wish they came with the SmackDown Tag Team Championship as well, because I think they held, around this time, they held both titles at the same time. And but it's okay, I already have those titles anyway, so, but yeah, this is pretty much it. Red strap, you know, silver plates. I don't know when WWE and Mattel are going to come out with the new tag team titles in action figure form, but when they do, I'll be very happy to get it. All right, everybody, here is Jimmy Uso. It's a tremendous head scan for him. You have the bloodline gesture here. White sleeveless We the One shirt. I love this shirt. Got tattoos on his arms, both sides. Yeah, it's a great face scan. I like this one. Of course, it's bottom half of his ring gear. This is a bloodline abbreviation. This right leg. The inner thigh area, there's some more red tribal designs. The the one design. Of course, white sneakers. I think Usos wear Air Forces. The action figure though looks kind of like, I don't know, but anyway, it's nice. All right, everybody, and here is the head scan for Jey Uso. Of course, he also has the white We the Ones sleeveless shirt, tattoos on his arms as well. He's got red armband, white wristband, wrist tape, one and done, bloodline gesture logo, tribal tattoos all around. Of course, the same tribal design in the inner thighs. It's a bloodline abbreviation again. One logo again. Of course, he has red socks, I guess, and white sneakers too. All right, everybody. Here are the Usos fully posed and out of the packaging with the bloodline around this time, say around last year, when I think this was when Jey Uso was thinking about turning on them, and then, you know, the two Uso bros teamed up against Solo and Roman and had a match, and Jimmy just betrayed Jey. I'm talking about that time period bloodline. So here they are. All right, everybody, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video of this WWE Main Event Championship Series, Jey Uso and Jimmy Uso. Thank you guys so much for 500 plus subscribers. That is tremendous. Oh my goodness. You know, this is kind of cliche, but you guys could be watching anything else in the world, and you guys are choosing to watch my videos. That is incredible. You know, I don't really ask people to like or subscribe or watch and all that. I don't got time for that. You know, you guys can watch, subscribe, like, whatever you want. And you guys are doing that with my channel, so thank you. And until next time, I'll see you guys all later. Truly appreciate it.